April 22nd, 2017. We're heading to, where's the tickets? Cavalia. Downtown Chicago, Soldier Field. So it's really fun. Biggest traveling show in America, I guess. Horses. So we're gonna take the camera downtown and have a good time. What did you think of the show?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good?
It was amazing. Yeah.
Awesome?
It was good.
It was good. Everybody had a great time. It was an amazing show. Links in the description, guys, if you want to go catch it while they're still in Chicago. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.